Today I'm going to share with you guys how I made these super adorable mushroom themed conchitas. These would be perfect for a woodland baby shower or first birthday party, also for like a fairy tale garden themed party, or even for Alice in Wonderland, or for a enchanted forest themed party. Here I have all the colors that I will be using for this tutorial, as well as my pipeable concha paste, which I've already shared how to make it in a previous video, and I will link it down below if you guys want to go and watch that. Here I'm just dipping some of my white paste into some cocoa powder, and I'm not fully mixing it in. I want to have little swirls of darker brown color, and this is crushed Oreo crumbs, which I'm going to use for the dirt. For the rest of this tutorial, I will not be speaking, as I feel that this is very self-explanatory, but if at any point you guys have a question, please feel free to leave a comment and I will answer any questions that you guys have.